All right, we're going to place the check mark over the correct area of the triangle with a base of 4.5 centimeters and a height of 7 2/10 centimeters. All right, so remember the area of a triangle is always going to be that base times height. It's going to be that base times that height, and then you divide it by 2. So it tells us that the base is 4.5 and the height is 7.2. So guess what we're going to multiply together and then divide? You got it. So if you do 4.5 times 7.2, 5 times 2 is 10, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. We're done with that too, so I'm going to put a placeholder of 0. I'm done with that remainder. And we have 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 4 is going to be 28, 29, 30, 31. Yep, and then we're going to add 0, 14, 2, 3, and that decimal in 1, in 2, in 1, in 2. So you get 32.40. So the area is 32 and 40 hundredths, or in 4 tenths. Don't forget we have to divide it by 2. We have to divide by 2 because it is a triangle. So if you divide that by 2, if we have 32 and 4 tenths, I'm going to pop that decimal up. I divide it by 2. 2 goes into 3 one time, you get 2. Subtract, you get 1. And you bring down the 2, you get 6, you get 12, and you get 0, and you get 4. 2 goes into 4 2 times, you get 4 and 0. So our answer is going to be 16. So that area is going to be 16 and 2 tenths, or 16 and 20 hundredths. Because remember, you can put a placeholder 0 after. If you want to, you can put as many as you want. But in this case, our answer is going to be that 16.2, or 16.5 centimeters squared. So all we did was multiply base times height, and then we divided by 2. And that's it for the vocab. Great job.